Well, yes.
Good morning, Mikey. Hey, are you allowed to jump on the bed?
No.
Mister! Oh my goodness, you guys are too cute. Alright, mister. You're mine. You're mine. You're mine. Come here. You're mine. Hey, come here. Tie. Who am I?
Bella.
What? I am that brother. Who's that over there?
Bella.
That's brother. That's Mikey.
Messi.
Mikey. Who are you?
Bye-bye.
Tai. How old are you?
2.
2. Mikey, how old are you now?
5.
You just had a birthday. What'd you get for your birthday?
I didn't get nothing for my birthday.
What? Oh, I know for a fact. I got you that cool book that flips and you can like see the little animals and you turn the page and well, you know what? You know what would help that, Tyler?
Yeah.
You know what would help that?
Yeah, do
Hey, listen to me. What would help that hurting your head would be to not jump on brother. Okay? Alright, my hands were in the way there, misters. Hey, Mikey. Mikey, you're a mister.
No, you're Miss
No, remember what I taught you? What am I?
Miss.
I'm a miss. Good job. So you can go, Miss Kayla.
Miss Kayla.
Mr. Mikey. No. Wow! I didn't say you should go and say that. What? You want kisses now? Kisses. No. I don't want tongue in my kisses. Get away, Goober. Yeah. Who's my giggle wiggle? What? I don't think so.
Yeah.
Fine then, you're my Pookie Bear?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You're my giggle wiggle. That's my Pookie Bear. Who's my Pookie Bear? I know my Pookie Bears too. My giggle wiggle over there is 5.
Well, you're my giggle wiggle.
How old am I? Did I remember I told you?
No.
19.
Let me try.